Hi there, Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for me to join me today in today's video update. So, what I do on a daily, well, almost daily basis. What I do on a daily basis is update this portfolio, cryptocurrency portfolio that I've been running, and wasn't until February I started actually documenting it. So I document it now on a daily basis, and so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to document and video the updating of the portfolio, and what I do as well is talk about a few things. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Before I get started, it's important for me to go through the disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a financial planner, I'm not an accountant, CPA, so make sure you do your own due diligence, your own research before you make any financial decisions. Also, understand with any kind of investing, there are always risks, so do not invest more than you can afford to lose. So with that, what I'm going to do is share my screen. If you haven't liked, subscribe to this channel, make sure you've done that as well. Let's hit the share button. So this is a spreadsheet I've been updating for some time here, and this spreadsheet has three main columns: the altcoin, Bitcoin, and the totals column. So let's the red and green rather. The green is when it's gone forward on the previous day, and red is when it's gone backward on the previous day. So some days it goes forward, and some days you can see red has gone backward. And you get that forward, backward, forward, backward. Sometimes we get it going forward for a week, at a time, and then sometimes we get it going backwards for 3 days at a time, 3-4 days at a time, sometimes even 4 days. Anyway, yesterday it went forward. Let's see what will happen today. So today's date is the 16th of September. And today, this is where I get the figures from. It comes in from a live feed into an asset class, an asset group, and we get the final figures here. So this portfolio consists of one whole Bitcoin and a selection of altcoins, and this is the total. Altcoins are specially selected, specially researched. This is on the left-hand side, we've got US dollars, right-hand side, we've got British pounds or pound sterling. In the middle, that's the actual mix between Bitcoin and the altcoins. So let's take this figure here, 164,257. 164,257. 66. So, for the data again, this data is behaving weird. Right, and the time and the price, probably changed now. Yeah, 163,000. This updates every 10 minutes. 163,935.99. 163,935.99. That's a $4,000 increase on yesterday, which is nice. And what we have here is 211,653.08. 211,653.08. Yeah. So let's that's 4,377 increase overall. Bitcoin increased a little bit by 174,000. So that is green all the way. Everything's still green, so that's great. That concludes that. Talking about Bitcoin, looking at Bitcoin, a lot of people are hyping up that it's going to, Bitcoin is going to rise, and Bitcoin is where it is now on the 5-day chart. in the where Bitcoin is at the moment, but it's within this channel, has been within this channel since May, middle of May. Gone into the channel, come out of the channel, tried to come out and was pulled back in, as we've said in many videos. And other people, usually what we've found from 10 years of experience of the facts and the charts of what the charts have shown us is that when it's gone into the tunnel, it stayed within this tunnel or channel for about a year on average. How a lot of people are thinking that it's going to shoot up. And there's a chance, there's always a chance that it could, but statistical probability based on the last 10 years shows that it's unlikely to do that. But unless something amazing and special happens. But so basically, you know, if you look at previous years, when it had gone in, risen up and gone in from after an upward trend down into the tunnel, you know, tried to come up. In fact, if you look very closely, you see these two trying to come up, trying to come out. And even though these two from front, but these two tried to came out of the tunnel. So it actually did escape the tunnel for 10 days, because each of these represent 5 days, a 5-day candle. And so, but after 10 days of escaping, they were dragged back in, not only dragged back in, below this middle line, the medium line here, and then down into the base. And in other case, and also tried to make its way out again. It was then dragged down even further, okay, underneath the actual tunnel, which has been dragged down before underneath the tunnel. So it does get dragged down underneath the tunnel, which takes the price way, way low. And then it eventually finds its way up, out, and then starts to conquer. Now, interesting thing, when it does come out, it comes out like a rocket and it goes to the moon, as you can see. See, that's what happened, you know, to new heights. So it will be wonderful when it does come out. Question is, will it, you know, only stay in for 120 days? It's been in for just over 120 days. You know, previous one when it went in, and after an uptrend, went down, you know, down into the tunnel. Obviously, it tried to come out, but you know, it was dragged back to the bottom, not only to the bottom, underneath. But when it did come out, came out and went high again. So, you know, this is interesting development, and I don't know how far this particular chart goes back. Similar things, but you have to kind of magnify the chart to show. Don't know if I've got everything on this particular chart. Which kind of shows also way back, and we're talking about here back in 2015 when it went in. So shrink this time. Yeah. So after an uptrend, it went down into the tunnel, tried to come out, dragged back underneath. This period here is from, we got, all the way to, I would say, here. Let's be generous. Let's just say here. I'll just say it came out of the tunnel here. So this is March 2014 to November 2015. This is a 600 days in the tunnel. Okay, 600 days. Now the time after that, it went in the tunnel again. So 600 days. That was a long prison sentence. 600 days. This one, when it went in, in March 2018 to, I think it escaped, I'm going to say escaped May. So March 2018 to May 2019, that's more like it, about a year. That's average, what it does. So this is 425 days in the tunnel. Okay, 425 days. These are not my opinions, these are facts. Okay, and so we have again here another one. Went in September, 23rd of September, came out, I would say, well, I would call it this year when it actually escaped the tunnel properly. I would give it this, even this, 12th of October. So 23rd of September, 2019 to 12th of October, 2020. Again, roughly a year. You see what I mean? And that's what happened. That's 385 days. So 600 days, 400 days. Yeah. It seems like the time may be getting shorter. We'll see. On average, it's been over a year. And here we are here. From this way over here. So came into the tunnel from the 16th of May. We were to say a year, 300, a year, let's just say a year, 360, 360. That's a year. So a year would be the 16th of May that was due to come out. But even if it was, less than a year, like 3/4 of a year or something, we'd be talking about 270, 280 days. 200, whatever. Well, take it to February when it would come out. So it would either come out between February and I would say and May. Between the 16th of between 20th of February and 20th of May. Okay, but more it could it could be more closer to the year. So that makes that makes the price of Bitcoin go into this channel in and out before May comes out. But a lot of people thinking that it's going to come out, take another color here. People think it's going to come out here. A lot of people think it's going to come out here. I don't even know what I'm drawing. That's a terrible line. Actually, most people are predicting it's going to reach 100K and kind of go directly up like this. Well, it's most unlikely. It's most unlikely. But time will tell. We shall see. We shall see. Keep watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. We think the GAUSSIAN channel will hold it in the tunnel for another, up till let's say May-ish before it eventually comes out. And I should have drawn that a bit closer. But when it does come out, it will go to a new high, to a massive high. It may come out and go to, I don't know. I don't see it coming up to. I don't know. It's just unlikely based on what it has done. But there's two camps out there. You got to decide which one you wanna be with, base your investment on. Anyway, We shall watch and observe and keep you observed. Let's get this. Let's observe, and we shall see. This candle closes in 1 day and 9 hours. This one that's being formed, and we'll see where the next one starts. The next candle starts. So this candle here is being formed at the moment. It's not completed yet. It'll be completed in 1 day and 9 hours. It shows on the left-hand side here. So that's just what do we know? It's 1 day, Friday, and sometime is Saturday. The next one will start. See where that starts. It should show us the trend. Will it start below or will it start high? It will show whether Bitcoin is heading towards the medium line and then the end of line. And then if it does go under, as it has in all the cases, which is yet to do that, does it reach the orange line or the red line? Well, which we shall watch and see. Anyway, so with that, what I want to say is that I want to check out our website here, IamWealthyandRich.com. How to understand the game of money, play it well. Put in the short form here, which is free millionaire mindset and investment strategy, and start your journey. Okay, so with that, I'm going to thank you for your time in watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and see the very first video I made in one of the links below this video as well. And the link to the site is also below the video. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a wonderful and fantastic day. Remember, you are wealthy and rich. I'm working rich. And you are wealthy and rich. It's something you've got to start saying to yourself. Have a great day. Bye.